Hello kids. In this module we will study about the universe and the solar system. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air, and this layer of air which is surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. Beyond this is empty space. Beyond this atmosphere there is empty space where we can see the sun, moon and the stars. But when we look through a telescope, we can see much more of the vast space, and this vast space is the universe. The word universe means whole or complete, and it includes all living as well as non living things. The universe contains millions and millions of stars, and these stars form big groups or a clusters. So a big group or a cluster of stars is known as a galaxy. And my dear students, there is not a single galaxy in the universe. There are thousands of galaxies in the universe. Students, you might be wondering how the entire universe was created. It is believed that 12 or 14 billion years ago, the whole universe was created in a sudden explosion, and this sudden explosion is called the Big Bang. When we see from the earth, group of stars seems to form some patterns. We can see the stars forming some patterns, and these group of stars which form some patterns, they are called constellations. And there are many constellations in the sky. There are many constellations in the universe. Students, you could see a round ball, huge ball in the center. Could you recognize it? Yes, it is a sun, and sun is a star. Sun is a star because it has its own heat and light. You could also see other round bodies which are revolving around the sun. These round bodies, they are the planets. Now, what is the difference between a star and a planet? A star has its own heat and light, whereas the planets do not have their own heat and light. These planets are moving around the sun in fixed path, and these fixed paths are oval or elliptical in shape. And these elliptical or oval shaped paths are known as orbits. So all the planets are moving in their own orbits. The sun, the planets and the other heavenly bodies, they together form the solar system. In our solar system, there are 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet, and Jupiter is the biggest planet. And Earth is the only planet which has life. And it has life because it has air and water. No other planet in the solar system has life, as there is no air and water on any other planet. Earlier, there were 9 planets in the solar system, and this 9th planet was Pluto. But now the Pluto is not considered as a part of solar system. It is considered as dwarf planet. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. The sun is a star, and all the stars are the part of any galaxy. So the solar system is the part of Milky Way galaxy. I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you.